In this video, we're going to show you how to get into the shadow position and also how to do a hip roll while you are in this position. Not only the leading, but also the following. And we will finish with how to get out of it. So let's go.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something.
For this one, we start in the close position. Let's go into a basic in 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. In 7 tap, I prepare for the shadow position by bringing my hand from here to her biceps here. And now let's do a step forward for the leaders. We go in 1 and we open our bodies by rotating in our 1 and create a circular motion with the arm going first down and out and up. Now let's do it with everything together. It would look like 1. On 2, we step back, we stay in place in 2 like this, and we start rotating the follower. So we go in 1, 2, 3, tap. And we end up in the shadow position. For the follower, this is a normal step. Also, you're only doing half a turn, but your steps are not changing. So if you see it again, you go first with this leg, then with this leg, then you turn, and you tap normal, like always. But for us, for the leaders, we are skipping 1 step. So we go 1, then we go back in 2, and then slowly we go 3 and tap with our left one again. And from here, we're going to the basic in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, tap. In this position, guys, it's very important to have here tension and connection, and also that this hand is in this side of her abdomen, and we have also connection here with our hand and a little bit as well with our arms. We don't need to have connection here on the hips, so we go separate 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now to lead the hip roll, we need to find connection with our hips. So we go 1, 2, 3, tap. So in 3 tap is where we look for our connection. We find it. We prepare the hip roll by bringing our hips back and also to the left. And from here, we do a hip roll in 5, 6, 7, 8. And guys, if you don't know how to do a hip roll, we do have other videos where we show you how to do the hip roll step by step. So make sure to check out this video after this one. And now we're going to the basic in 1, 2, 3, tap. We prepare the half turn. And for the guys, now we do a step, tap, and do a half a turn for the followers in step, tap, and basic 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's show it with timing. Everything together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also let us know what you think, and also make sure to check out these other videos that we are sure are going to help you a lot. See you on the next one.